Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kajela Conrad ke sama bakaran Shakila Pathai Kubor minta kasngi ke arpusan tarik nai dur ajar pusal halor ke jingya ki kinongnya kali turis dang hakini khandiat sngi ulong ba uladap pha ya director katanat tourism ba un Thaw ke committee halor gani hakba hakani ke committee andan lang ki dekhot na katanat jungok kai katanat an katanat pulit ki board district bat ki wei bat kumjuru ki driver taxi ban Bishar Bniah halor ke Jingdawa jongki ulong ba ukerman ba director katanat tourism un sayok banyak kendu ikini kita khon bat kham tam nak Bynta ki driver taxi bakini thu Bniah ya kita ki Jingdawa jongki shwa bu un sakhot ya ke jingalang.
Absolutely. I have received the particular letter from the Taxi Association, and I'm aware about their concerns. And of course, there are a lot of issues that are there that they have mentioned. So I have directed the Director of Tourism to form a small committee where we have members from the tourism, the law, police, district administration, and other departments concerned, and more importantly, the stakeholders themselves, to really come up with the full comprehensive analysis of what this entire sector and how the taxis are being impacted, what are the suggestions and solutions that we have in front of us, how many taxis are there, how many tourists are coming in. So we want to come out with a decision once we are able to really assess the situation in a detailed manner and give a fair chance to all the stakeholders to express their concerns about this issue. So that committee has already been formed. At least we have notified from our side the director of tourism, and he will be co-opting members. As I said, more importantly, the taxi association and drivers themselves. Bring them on board, discuss with them in detail what is exactly the issues, what are the proposals, what are the options that we have in front of us, what steps could we take, what would be the reaction to the steps that we may take, and if those reactions do take place, are we ready for those reactions or not? So it'll require all these aspects of it. How many taxi drivers are there, registered, unregistered, how many people will be impacted. So all those aspects need to be really looked into before we can really come to a conclusive decision. So I'm hopeful that that the directors committee will very shortly, meet everybody and submit a report quickly to us. And post that, I will definitely be calling the different stakeholders and discussing, and we'll find how we will be able to move forward in this entire direction.